Okay, now is it audible? Good afternoon, students.
Yes. Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Welcome back to my maths class after a 1 week gap, I think. Now only we got one period. First of all, let me tell this week or next week you may get some recorder sessions, okay? That I already started with a new chapter, that is linear inequation. I started a chapter linear inequation, and you can watch in the website, okay? So that chapter I will take as recorded classes. So this week you may get 1 or 2 classes, next week also you will get. It's very small chapter, so I thought to complete using recorded classes. So if you are getting tomorrow, nothing to worry, don't think that, oh, this chapter is not over. No problem, that's a entirely different chapter, a small chapter. You can start with a new heading, okay? That chapter you can start that, you can follow the recorded session, and I will start and will end up that chapter with the recorded sessions. With the 5 recorded classes I can finish up that chapter. 2 already I sent to the school. So in this week you will get, and the other 2 or 3 classes you will get in the coming weeks. So I can finish that chapter. Very, very, very important chapter. Don't think that since I am giving the class through recorded session, it's not important. It's very important. The only one chapter which will come in 10th grade. Same chapter, almost same questions will come in 10th grade again. So that's an important chapter. But since it is very small, I thought to take using, and we don't want much explanation. So I thought to take through recorded classes, okay? So whenever it is giving in the website, that day onwards, you have to follow that chapter, okay? Along with this chapter, that means simultaneously you have to handle 2 chapters, okay? Here where we stopped, exercise, last class we studied what is the universal set, already we mentioned. Then operations of sets, okay? I remember union of sets, intersection of sets, and the third operation is difference of sets. What is the meaning of the difference of 2 sets A and B? Okay, that what is the meaning of difference of 2 sets A union B and A intersection B? It's very clear. A union B means the set of elements of A or B. Okay, if repetition is there, no need to write it twice. All the elements of A and B we will call A union B. Common elements of A and B we will call A intersection B. And what is A minus B? A minus B is equal to A, suppose 1, 2, 3.
Difference of A
B
and B.
equal to 1, 2. What is A minus B? A minus B means all the elements of A except the elements of B. That means from A you cut the elements of B, the remaining elements you can write as the elements of A minus B. So all the elements of A except the elements of B. So 1, 2 don't take, because these are the elements of B also. 1, 2. So 3 is the answer. What is the answer for A minus? From A you subtract B. That's the meaning. From A you subtract B. Okay. And how to write mathematically? X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This is the meaning of A minus B. That also we have written. X such that X belongs to A but X does not belongs to B. That's the meaning. And we have written many notes also in the last class, okay, about union. A union B equal to B union A. Then A union B union C equal to A union B union C. Then A union A complement equal to, what is the answer? A union of A complement. What is the answer?
A union of A complement is universal set.
Today nobody, no sound.
Universal set.
What is the answer? Alfia?
Uni
What is A union A complement?
Universal set.
Eh?
Universal set.
Are you audible?
set.
Can you hear me?
Universal set. Yes, yes.
Okay. Universal set.
Universal set.
I don't know, your sound is not coming out. A union A complement equal to the universal set psi. That means all the elements of A and all the elements of A complement total, the whole thing. That's the universal set. Elements of A and not elements of A means the whole set of elements of universal set. Okay, what is A intersection A complement? What is the common elements of A and A
Empty
complement?
set.
What is A intersection A complement?
Empty set or
Null set. Null set. Null set. The answer is null set because nothing is common in A and A complement. Likewise, I have given many notes. Okay.
Yes.
Then, what is A union B union C equal to A union B? This we wrote as a note, correct? No? That means first you find B union C, that answer with A union, or first you find A union B, that answer with union C, both will be same. What property you will call this property?
Associative property.
Associative, correct.
property.
Associative property. This property is known as associative. You told me that you have already studied in integers, I remember. Then,
Yes.
A union B, intersection also. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Okay, both are correct. Okay, is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes.
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 If you are finding the common elements of A and B, if you are finding the common elements of B and A, both are same. Okay. What property you will call this? This property is known as property I didn't tell, no? Whether I told the name for this property?
No.
Eh?
Equivalent.
Commutative. Commute. If you didn't write there, please write. Commutative. Commutative property. Property's name is commutative property. Commutative property, okay? A union B equal to B union A, both are same. That we will call commutative property, okay? Then,
Lesson 1.
what is A union? Null set. What is the union of A and null set?
A union null set.
What is the union of A and null set? All the elements of A and all the elements of phi means all the elements of A itself. So A union phi equal to A itself. What is A intersection phi? No need to by heart. You can understand and tell. Intersection means common elements of A and
Empty set.
common elements of A and null set is null set phi. Because nothing is common, because in null set nothing is there, that's why. So you have to study all the notes, okay? Commutative property, okay. If they are asking, excuse me, sound is not coming out, student sounds. Okay, next, which one, what I told? If I am asking any true or false for the exam also, you don't by heart, just read the question and understand the meaning. If A and B are disjoint, what is A intersection B? Yes, let me ask. If A and B are disjoint, what is A intersection B?
A intersection B is equal to empty set.
A intersection B equal to phi, null set, because you think A and B are disjoint. That means nothing is there common in A and B. So what will be its intersection phi? Like that. Otherwise, don't by heart. Okay, by hearting will work out only for the 8th grade. 9th grade, when somebody is asking you, if you don't know the idea, you won't tell the answer. Otherwise, that time we can think and tell. Okay. So, difference also, what is meant by difference also we told. And we were doing the problems from 6D, I think. We were doing the problems from 6D.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, by hearing a sound. Okay. Question number 4, 5, which is the last class work? Question number 3? Yes.
Yes.
Then we are doing question number 6 and 7 now. All of you take question number 6, 6D, question number 6. 6D, question number 6. If P equal to factors of 36, all of you write P. In tabular form, all of you write Q equal to factors of 48. Write the factors of 48. Find P union Q. Quickly you find P intersection Q, Q minus P and P complement intersection Q. All the four you find. What is P? Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4. This
6, 12, 36.
36. What are the factors of 48? Q.
3, 4, 8, 12, 24, 40.
Okay. Just to see whether we missed anything. Now you tell what is P union Q. Write the answers. What is P union Q? Ben Jensen. What is P?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. P union Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. All the elements without repetition. Without repetition. This is P union Q. Correct? P intersection Q, right? P intersection Q. Common elements. Ben is there? Arena, Sony. Ben, you tell. Ben and Arena. Any one of you. Common elements of P and Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 12 also. Okay. Common elements. Now what is P minus Q? What is P minus Q? Not P minus Q. Q minus P. What is Q minus P? Q minus P what? Meaning is
16.
all the elements of Q
Q, but not
but
P.
not elements of P. Q let me take it first, not P. All the elements of Q, from that you cut the elements of P.
8,
16,
48.
So
16, 24, 40.
16, 24, 48.
8, 16, 24. Yes, 8, 16, 24, 48.
8, 16, 24,
48. Okay. P minus Q minus P. Q minus P means first you have to take a Q. First you have to take a Q. From that you cut the elements of P. Don't take P at first. By mistake you may do. First you have to take the elements of Q and from that you cut the elements of P. You will get the answer. Okay, Q minus P. Next, what is P complement intersection Q? Do you remember the meaning of complement? After universal set we studied. Complement.
Yes.
Complement. Let me ask. Ben is there, but I didn't get the answer. Ben. Arena, Sony? Arena, no.
Miss, I am there.
Arena is there?
Not Arena, Ben.
Ben. Okay. What is P complement intersection Q? What is the meaning of P complement, Ben? What is the meaning of P complement? You forgot about P complement. P complement is the elements of the universal set except P.
They are not in Q.
Tell me, Ben, you tell. What is P complement?
All elements in universal set except the elements of P.
Yes, correct. P complement is all the elements of universe. They will give one universal set in each problem. From that you cut the elements of P, you will get P complement. In Malayalam we will tell P allathathu. That's the meaning, negative of P. That's called P complement. Okay. So P complement intersection Q. So you find P complement at first. All of you find P complement. Find P complement. What is P complement? What is the universal set here? Oh, what is the universal set?
Union Q.
Huh?
16, 24.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24,
But they
36,
didn't.
48.
But they didn't give any idea about universal set, no? Whether they have given? No.
No.
That I was thinking. Then how can they ask about this P complement and all? All all means for
And all
each.
the
I told you,
elements
no,
of P
for
and
each
Q.
problem universal set is different. They have to give whether set of natural numbers or whole numbers or maybe some set that they didn't give. So what we will do that we will take
All the elements of P and Q.
yes. Who told that answer? If they didn't give, we will take all. Usually they have to give. Usually they have to give. If they didn't give, we will take all the elements of P and Q as parent. Okay. So P complement equal to PQ. See this cutting you avoid. These all the elements of P and Q. This together is the universal set. Suppose. Okay. Then what is P complement? P complement means 1, 2, 3.
Miss, which are not in.
Which are not in P, that means Q.
Yes.
Eh? Actually, they have to give, I am also confused. They have to give that universal set. Then it was easy. This, we are making one universal set. P and Q intersect, union is the universal. So the whole thing is the universal set.
Miss, in P 1, 2, 3,
Ah,
4, 6 is there, and in
36.
Q also.
Oh, let me write here. Let me write here.
Okay, Miss.
P union Q. We have written simply I rubbed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24.
16, 34, 36, 48.
P complement equal to not P. Not P.
Then
So
8, 16,
8, 60. That's our Q.
24, 48.
That is our Q.
16.
That is our Q. Then intersection.
No, first you wrote about, then first you wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 also. So 2 till 12 you wrote.
I couldn't understand. Wait, not over. Intersection. So P complement intersection Q equal to Q itself. Intersection Q 24, 48. This question, it's actually the data is not sufficient. Anyway, we have to complete. P complement is this one, Q is this one, both are same. So their intersection also 8, 16, 24, 48. Now they are asking subdivision 3 and subdivision 4 answers, are they same?
P.
Are they same? Q minus P, third subdivision answer and fourth are they same? Yes, they are same.
Yes.
They are
same.
Oh, they are not asking. Sometimes they may ask. Actually, third subdivision and fourth subdivision answers are same. Okay. That they are not asking now. Anyway, this here a small confusion came because it's not our mistake. They have to give universal set. So we prepared one universal set. Then P complement means automatically it became Q. P complement means not P. That means all the elements of Q. Then Q, that answer intersection Q is again Q itself. Anyway, our answer is correct. Okay. Then we will do question number 7. If you have any doubt, ask. Otherwise, we will move to question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. We can do one by one. Question number 7. Write the question and do one by one. Four, 6, 8, 10. C equal to, C you write in tabular form. X belongs to n, 2 less than x less than or equal to 7.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Then all of you find A minus B. A minus B means all the elements of A except B, or from the elements of A you cut the elements of B. So 6 you cannot write, it is there. 7, yes. 8, yes. 7 and 9, correct?
7, 9.
Next you find B minus C. B minus C. Dhima. Dhima, B minus C. B minus C means all the elements of B. From there you cut the elements of C.
8 and 10.
All the elements, from this you take, in this C elements you cut. 3, 4 you can write. 6 can you write?
4.
No. No, so 4 you cannot write. Sorry. 4 it is here, you cannot write. 6 it is here, you cannot write.
8 and
8,
10 only.
okay. 10, okay, because 8 and 10 not here. So 8 and 10 is the answer. Clear? Dhima is there?
Eight and 10.
Dhima? Then, third subdivision. B minus.
A minus C.
No, this is the third subdivision. B minus A minus C. So, all of you find A minus C first, correct? All of you find A minus C. Suddenly, in one stretch, you can't do.
9.
In one stretch, you can't do. All of you find A minus C. First, I
8
am
and
finding
9.
A minus C. A minus C is.
8
Take,
9.
take A minus C means, see how much time we are repeating. Please listen. A minus C means take A, from that C elements you cut. C elements 6.
6 and
You
7.
cannot write because
8
6
and
is
9.
here. 7 you cannot write, it is here. 8, okay, 9,
8
okay.
and 9.
So 8 and 9, okay. Now B minus A minus C means, now B minus A minus C is, let me write, otherwise
4, 6,
I
10.
may make 4, 6, 8, 10 minus, let me, just to avoid the confusion, let me write. That way also possible. B, I wrote, minus, what is A minus C? Now you got the answer. 8, 9. For the exam also you have to do. If you are writing the answer as multiple choice question, you won't get. Okay? As one word question, not multiple choice. You are not getting any, you are not giving any choice, but one word, if you are giving the answer as one word, you won't get the mark. Likewise, how you got the steps should be there. All the years we will tell that also students by that time they will save the time by saving these steps. But mark will go. Okay. This minus this, likewise you have to show. Okay. 4 you can write because it is not there. 6 you can write, it is not there.
Yes,
8
4,
you
6,
cannot write because it is there. 10 you can write. 4, 6, 10. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
If you have doubt, you ask. Ask me. Oof. Vishnu is there. Vishnu. Vishnu V. Biju. Every day we are, we are not getting, our energy is going backward. We are getting lesser energy every day because of your response. Out of 90 students, only very few. Now I am familiar with your sounds, even if I don't know the names. Every day, today I didn't hear one boy sound, otherwise one boy also was joining in this group. That boy is the, others are not, it's not our work like that, they are not attending the class and they think that once I will attend all the classes, it won't work out. If you attend every day, then only you can. From the experience we are telling, please listen. Each day, that time live session is there, that time itself you have to attend. Somehow you have to attend. No excuse. If you are making it pending work, Nothing will work out. Vishnu is not there. Elizabeth Mary is not there. Elizabeth Mary.
Yes, yes, miss.
Elizabeth Mary's sound is one. Then, okay. And lit. And lit.
Yes, miss.
You are there. Okay. Next, you do. Just to know whether are you there or not. Next, you do A minus B union C. All of you do A minus B.
Find B union C.
First all of you find B union C.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
3. How easy this chapter, no? Very easy.
Yes.
7, 8, 10. Okay, so what is A minus B union C?
A is equal to
8, 9, minus
6,
3, 4,
9, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
What is the answer?
9.
9. 6 you can't write, 7 you can't write, 8 you can't write because all are there. Then only 9. Yes.
9 is the answer.
9 is the answer. Next one you do. 5th and 6th you do. 5th and 6th you do.
Okay.
5th and 6th. Let me rep. If you have doubt, you ask. Next one is B minus A intersection C. So all of you find A intersection C at first.
A intersection C 6 and 7.
So B minus A intersection C.
4, 6, 8, 10 minus 6 and 7.
What is the answer?
4, 8, 10.
4, 8, 10. No need of explanation, I think, because you are very fast now. From 4 you can write, 6 you cannot write because it is there. 8 you can, 10 you can because they are not there. So 4, 8, 10 is the answer. Then B minus B, what is the answer? I am not doing. What is B minus B answer?
Empty set.
Empty set. Don't write 0. You will get 0 mark. If you are writing 0, you will get 0 mark.
Empty or null set.
Likewise you have to. This is in form of
Null
sets.
set.
Null set or empty set. B minus B. No need to do. B minus B equal to null set. Or you write empty set. Okay. So question numbers 4, 5, 8, 9 homework after the exam. 4, 5, 8, 9 homework. 4, 5, 8, 9. Whether I have given question number 1 and all homework?
Yeah, last class.
Yes, miss.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. Okay, so we are moving to the last session of this chapter, Venn diagram. Very interesting one. To draw something, Venn diagram. Okay, we are going to represent these sets in some circles as diagram. Sets we are making in circles we will write. Instead of writing like this, we are writing everything in some circles. We are representing as a diagram. That diagram is known as Venn diagram because the mathematician John Venn introduced. All of you write the topic. Venn diagram because the mathematician John Venn introduced these diagrams. He told that it's more good if we can represent these sets as diagrams. So these diagrams are known as Venn diagram. John Venn introduced, and he told that universal set always you can represent by a rectangle, and ABC sets, the given sets we will represent as circles or in oval shapes, no problem. So I will tell universal set as rectangle, and inside the universal set only the other sets will come. So A and B are the sets inside this. This is the universal set. Big rectangle is the universal set, and these two circles are A and B, which represents each set. Okay. I am asking that we can do, see that example, psi equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose A equal to 2, 3, 4. B equal to 1, 3, 2, 7. So A, first I am representing A 2, 3, 4. So this is A, no? 2, 3, 4. Suppose B equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 7. But no need to write 2. Only one person. 2 is in A and 2 is in B. So right here. That is a good place, no? Because this place is a part of A, this place is a part of B also. Common place. Both can occupy.
3 also you should write.
3 also you can do
3
like that.
also.
Okay. 3 also you write in the common part. So it's good. A is a part of A, 2 is an element of A? Yes. Because, yes, 2 is included. 3 is an element of A? Yes.
Yes.
3 is an element of B? Yes.
Yes.
When you are drawing 3.
2 also.
Okay. So common elements always you write in the common part, middle part. Other thing. Then, other thing, wherever you need. 4, okay, 1, 7, other elements in B, 4 other elements in A. Now, then some more elements are missing. 5 and 6, where I have to write? 5 and 6,
5
where,
and 6.
where I have to?
Outside the circle.
Yes, very good. Who told?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Outside the circle, outside. 5, 6. Anywhere outside circle, because 5 and 6 are not the elements of A and B.
Should we write this example?
No. I will give. 5 and 6 are not the elements of A, not the elements of A and B, but they are the elements of the universal set. So outside of the circle, but inside of the rectangle. Okay, anywhere. Okay, this is an example for representation. I will give you a good example. You write right now. Venn diagram, right? Venn diagram is invented by John Venn. Invented by John Venn. If you want, you underline that name, John Venn. Which is most commonly used, which is the most commonly used pictorial representation of sets. Which is the most commonly used, which is the most commonly used pictorial representation of sets. In Venn diagram, did you write? Next slide. In Venn diagram, the universal set is represented by a rectangle. The universal set is represented by a rectangle, and all other sets under consideration, by circles or ovals, oval shape also, approach, ovals, O-V-A-L-S, ovals, within the rectangle. Okay, did you write?
Yes, miss.
In Venn diagram, the universal set is represented by a rectangle and all other sets under consideration by circles or ovals within the rectangle. After that, you write this example, psi equal to this one, A equal to this one, B equal to this one, then you represent using this diagram. Don't use much time to draw and all. It should be neat because mark is for the diagram. You should use the scale to draw a rectangle, not like this, what I am doing on the board. Okay. Circles and all should be visible because inside we have to write these numbers. So it should be a little bit.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, can you please move?
Miss, can you please move some?
Can you please move?
Oh, sorry.
Cannot see board.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
If it is over, you tell me.
Yes, miss. It's over.
Over.
Over, miss.
We are representing sets with some figures, okay? Write as a question. Represent the following. Represent the following using Venn diagrams. Represent the following using Venn diagrams. That's the question. Represent the following using Venn diagrams. Okay. First one. Two disjoint sets. Two disjoint sets. How to represent? Two disjoint. See, they didn't give the elements. Okay, leave it. Only representation we need. Like this, no?
Circle. Yes.
Circles, but not overlapping. No touching.
Nothing is common.
Not intersecting. Nothing is common, so I have to draw like this. They are not asking about the elements and all, that you leave it, whatever it is. They don't have any connection. A and B, they are disjoint. Two disjoint sets A and B. How to represent? Like this. No connection. Now, two overlapping sets. How to? Two overlapping sets. A, B. Like this. Overlapping. Some elements are common. Okay. Next, A subset of B. How to? A
B
subset.
should be big circle.
B is the. No. B should be bigger. No. Yes, sorry. B is bigger. A is a subset of B is bigger. So B and not only bigger. A is contained. A is contained in B. That's the meaning. No, A is small and A is a part of B. So inside you draw. This is B. Big one outside and small one is inside B. It's a child. B is the parent. A is the child, or A is a part of B. So A is here. Okay. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Just to see A is a subset of B. If you are writing like this, you won't get any mark. A is a subset of B. B, A is contained in B, inside B. So Bn. Next, B subset of A. How to?
A should be big circle.
A big one.
And B inside it.
Okay. Next, A union B. Listen here. A union B, 3 cases are there. That means A and B can be disjoint, A and B can be overlapping. One more chance can come. What is that? A, B is a subset of A. That I am not writing. Anyway, overlapping is coming sometimes. Sometimes disjoint is coming. Sometimes one is another subset of the other one. In this case, where you will represent? In the first case, where is A? All the 3 represents A union B. Under the heading A union B, 3 figures are coming. In this case, or in this case, or in this case. Okay. Here also we can do like Here what is A union B? Here what is A union B? Which is the part, that part you shade, okay? You shade it. Which is A union B? Which A union B part? All the elements of A and all the elements of B. That's the definition, no?
A and B.
All the elements of A and all the elements of B, and if anything common, you no need to write twice. That's the meaning of A union B. So all the elements of A means, all the elements of B means, okay, this will represent, this will psi we will write on top, right top, okay. This will represent A union B, all the elements of A and all the elements of B. Here where you will mark A union B?
That center part.
Center part is A. Center part is A intersection B. Center part is A intersection B. Common elements. Common elements.
B and common part.
Wait. Center part don't do. Center part is A intersection B. A means A everything. B also everything. But B everything means already some part of B already shaded. So the remaining part. Okay. That's all. All the parts of A and B means some part is common. A union B means full A and B. Same meaning. Here no need to shade twice. That's all. Already you shaded A here. So B here only you have to shade because repetition not needed. That's all. Clear?
Yes.
Third case where you will mark A union B.
Both.
Both.
A and B.
So this one. Correct?
Yes.
A union B. This is A. This is A union B. Okay? Likewise, you mark A intersection B. A intersection B. So, see when your exams will be over? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow is last exam. Tomorrow last exam.
Today which exam?
Today English 2.
Second.
English 2. How many lessons?
3.
Very few. Only 3 lessons. Finish, no? Studies?
Yes.
Study of 3 lessons. You need only 2 hours. Morning itself it's over, no? Okay. So tomorrow evening only. Okay. Day after tomorrow only you can start to do the homeworks, no?
Yes.
Just to mark, you know already which all homeworks.
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
Then A intersection B, all of you mark like this. A intersection B. Q. Side A. If A and B are disjoint, what will happen? If A and B are overlapping, if A and B are okay. A intersection B here, where you have to mark? Where I have to mark?
No.
No. That means no space to mark, null set. A intersection B means nothing. Nothing is common. So where I have to shade? Nowhere. Leave it. Null set. I can't shade here. A intersection B I can't shade here because null set. That's why. Here where I will mark A and B. Sorry, A intersection B.
Center portion.
Common part.
There only you shade. Here where I have to, this is B. Where I have to mark A, here where I have to mark A union, A intersection B.
Inside A.
Small.
Yes.
Small circle.
Small A only. A only. This is the common part of both A and B. Common part of both A and B. It's interesting, no? It's an interesting question. B and A, which is the common part means inside part only. This part you cannot take. These parts are not the part of A. This is outside A, so you cannot shade. Okay, inside A, that's a part of B also because means B is the big circle. Everything inside is under B. Okay, now likewise you mark A minus B and B minus A also. A minus B and B minus A. A minus B. A minus B. A, B. What is A minus B? That's for intersection. Disjoint elements.
The elements which are
Joint elements. Joint sets. Disjoint sets for all the three cases. And when A is a subset of B. Okay. Where you will mark A minus B? In the first case, where you will mark A minus B, you do?
in A. No, it's not.
Where I have to mark A minus B means all the,
Nothing.
let me explain, all the elements of A but not B.
Yes.
So here, all the elements,
Disjoint, they are not same. Both are different.
No problem. All the elements of A you, see. All the elements of A you take, in that if any B part is there, you leave. I took all the elements of A, in that no B part, so I will shade all the A, correct?
A. Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Don't tell that nothing. I took all A. In that any B part is there? No. So nothing to remove. So, correct? If you are doing
Yes.
numerical problems also, you will get the same idea.
Okay, much.
Here, A minus B. Here,
A.
Except the center portion.
Area we will leave.
A full I
Except the
took.
center portion.
From that B part you avoid. So only this part. Okay, correct? Even if this part is A part, I cannot take that as a part of B also. If B part is there, you avoid. That's the meaning. Correct? Here, this one.
Yes.
Then that one,
Now where we can say null set.
No, nothing.
nothing. Because I took A part. Okay. Small circle I took. In that you avoid B part means everything will go. Correct? I took small A part, but that A part is a part of B also. So if they told to remove part B, I have to remove everything. Nothing is there. So where I have to mark? I can't mark. Clear?
Yes.
Then after B minus A will stop. You may looking for the time, no? After B minus A, I will finish off. Okay? B minus A also you mark 3 cases. B minus A. 3 cases. B minus A. Then we can finish off. Next, now if you are thorough with this Venn diagram, next class we can do all the problems very fast. Okay. 2 more periods I need, I think.
It's over.
B minus A, A, B,
B only. Shade B.
A, B, overlapping, this is B, this is A. Okay, what is B minus A? Take B and remove A.
First circle shade
So in
B
the
part.
first case,
Shade B part.
Shade B.
somebody is telling,
Circle
I
B.
can hear. We can shade the B because
Circle
take B, from that you remove A. Here no, in this B no A part.
A part.
So this fully,
Because
Okay.
this joint is set.
B part fully. Take B part and remove A part. But here no A part is there, so you have to take B fully. Okay, next. Take B part and remove A part.
Except that center
So
portion.
this
B
one,
part.
Center portion.
Accept A
correct?
center.
Correct?
Full B.
I took the B part and from that I removed A part. Third one,
Nothing.
That except that small
take
circle.
B part and remove A part.
That small circle.
Why there is
Others.
no sound? Are you there?
Yes, miss.
Hello?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Begin with your
B. Yes.
Again sound gone. Anyway, let me finish off. B, from B you subtract A. Can you mark here?
Yes.
Here can you mark? Take B.
Yes.
So I took the full circle.
Remove small
From
circle.
that you remove A. So small circle I removed.
remove small
So I
circle.
can shade here. See. Anybody got this answer?
Yes.
Okay, good. Not like the last figure. Here, take full B, from that you remove A, so the remaining part. Okay, clear? So now the time is up. Let me tell once more. Once your exam's over, you can start your homeworks. Next live class
miss.
on Thursday, the same time, 2 o'clock. But in between, you may get some recorded classes that without any missing, you have to listen that about another chapter, new chapter that I will finish off in that recorded class itself. So you have to listen, the 4 or 5 recorded classes will be there. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, miss. Thank you, miss.
Okay, miss.
Thank you, miss.
Okay, thank you.